No, waiting, guys. Again, we are waiting the confirmation. We are waiting the confirmation. It's for your patience. Just relax. Remember, try to help me with the likes. 500 people you see on the stream, and um, just some people is there. So let's wait these 6 minutes. Let's see what happened here. Well, guys, yesterday, well, these days we are waiting. Well, I received um, some questions about how to introduce with the Cellion trader. Most of the countries, Cellion will accept the deposit by crypto, guys. So with that, it's very simple. Just you need to go to the dashboard. The dashboard will be there. Your balance will be there and everything. The deposit, just you need to generate the minimum deposit $50. There you will go to TRC, or you can use ERC20, USDC, or BIP20 with no issues. With Tether, is just recommend TRC20 is the easy way. Then just go to the deposit. As simple as that, you will receive this information. For use this, they will generate a specific wallet for open for receive for send that money for do the um for do the deposit with no issues straight directly. You can scan there with a cell phone, or just copy here the wallet with no issues, and then you can send the money with no problems. Okay, so there, as simple as that, you will receive the money with no issues. That was my complete deposit. I sent 50 to the wallet, 50 to the wallet. The deposit is basically instantly. There you will see 50 USDT. Of course, USDT always have a little commission for $1. But well, as simple as that. That is the deposit. You receive the funds instantly, less than 2 or 3 minutes. You receive money into the broker. As you can see, my My equity is now it's a little more. Of course, it's not necessary to add more funds. Just I really wants to explain um, these transactions. Like it's really easy. To receive the money with no issues. Okay, so just be clear of that. The deposit is there. Just go into the transactions dashboard, deposit, and then you will receive the exactly what you need to send the money. If you want to apply for this, if you want to do the raw spread, remember the raw spread. It's the account what I use, and it's the one I recommend with the low spreads, good good prices. So be clear of that. Okay, be clear of that. And this is a little introduction about how to receive the money with no too much problems, with no too much issues. Just there. Okay. So remember, if you want to work with this beautiful platform, just go into the Celium. The link is into the description. And of course, if you want to receive the bonus, use the link, guys. Use the link. Okay. So be clear of that because yesterday, so some people like don't use him, the link. Of course, if you don't use the link, you're not going to receive the welcome bonus for the 100%. Now, guys, this is a doji, so no confirmation there. No confirmation there. And then just you receive the deposit here, $50, an email. Your deposit is approved to the account 258420, and that's all. Okay, so be clear of that. And you will receive this through your personal account with not too much issues. And it will add to your trading account. Okay. Mm, We have two different zones. So at this point, guys, again, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Why? Why I'm waiting? Because the last candle was it was it was a doji. So for that reason, okay. It will give us another buy some. Okay. Let's see. Now this zone is invalid. Okay. So we will wait the sell here. The 5138. 5138. Buy some. position. Okay, at this point, at this point, this is the sons for today. So let's see what happened in both sons. In both sons, we need the confirmation. So today will be a day with pure patience. I'm going to try to open another positions in the Nasdaq or Dow Jones. Why? Because well, at this moment I don't like the structure in Dow Jones looks awful. Um, well, um, Nasdaq we got the same point as yesterday. And that point give us a really good results, but not not too much. So well, middle of now here. Yes, we are middle into the suns, so we need to take care of that positions, guys. Okay, so be clear of that. Okay, just relax, wait, and let's see what happened. Elena is here. Welcome, dear. How are you? Everything good? Tired of the cold weather. Besides that, I'm good. I'm good. Probably yes. Probably yes. I think you're in minus, right? Or something like this. Many people is in minus in the weather, so that's great. Well, for the snow and everything, if you enjoy the snow and that type of things. By my side, I don't like this snow. I don't like this snow, to be honest. Always in minus. That's the thing. But we're waiting. The price is must to give us here a reaction for the buy some for continue the long positions. Formidable embusteros. Jeremías. Looks that some retracement. This bison looks good. This shirt looks promising. Okay. How are you, gaming? Sells on around 50, 60, 65. I seem too short, but it's. Sí, ok, la Mastercard. Está en el carro. And speaking English, guys. Speaking English. Something like this. I would say this here, trying to use this point of reference, this resistance there. And it's 51.68, 51.70 could be an option. So it's pure patience, guys. It's pure patience. Eric Gonzalez, where we are waiting. At this moment, we're very close to the buy some. So probably we will try the long position. It depends of the confirmations and everything. Just we need to clarify the positions, okay? Okay, perfect. Alpha data cell. Well, that's an option if you want to. If you want to take a position, So, well, guys, remember we are waiting the ones who are opening the positions just by themselves, and that's totally valid. It's okay. So, yes, okay. Exactly. Speaking English. Okay, Dorito is yes, but first to go to the 5189. First we need to pass this also. That one, the 5192. That's okay. And it's the maximum resistance there. So yes, but let's see. Let's see what happened into the sell zone. Let's see what happened into the buy position. Okay, be clear of that, guys. At this moment, we are waiting. Clear of that. Hello, my friend. AW, welcome. Yes, guys, 600 people is in the stream and just 100 likes. I appreciate it if you help me. Let's go for at least 200 likes. And for C, what do you think about algo AA trading? Well, the algo, I don't like that signals. We started channel with Lux algo. Um, was great, the start of the channel. I remember I just shared the streaming, 24 hours streaming. Share the zones, and then when the Lux algo give us something, um, the people take the entry, but most of the people don't take the entry because many people just need the clarification, needs and instructions and everything. But yes, Lux algo, for example, I used to let me clear this and let me find Trade line with breaks looks algo. For example, in 50 minutes. Let's see the 50 minutes. So as you can see here, it can show you the buy positions and everything, or the long positions too. But it depends, and sometimes it's difficult to clarify the points and everything. So for that reason, I prefer just stop using the looks algo into the streamings, and not that good for the people. So well, because these candles, for example, these candles can, oh well, these signals, for example, in 5 minutes is of course green is for long, um, and red is for sell. But the looking in 5 minutes is like both sides for all the positions. Same in 10 minutes. So it depends. It depends of. And this candle, for example, it gives you the signal, but the signal will end here, and then the retracement. Probably the people will not wait the retracement. For that reason, I don't recommend the looks algo because most of the signals will disappear. Um, it's difficult. For example, here it's trying to give us a long position here, but let's see. Here's the signal for the long, so here probably we open the long position. Now it's going back, for example. So this is the type of things what I'm explaining. You have the signal here, and then you need to know when is the possible entry and everything. But most of the people take it, for example, in 5150. That's the point. So they don't understand like we need to wait the retracement for open the loan and everything. Yes, you can use it. You can use it as a reference. Um, but it depends of your knowledge. If you want something automatic, it depends of your knowledge. That's that's the thing what I'm telling you guys. Here give us the loan position, right? The signal for the loan, and then it changed now for the short position. This is for the trend lines break. Um, it's difficult to understand. It's not that easy when you see that information into into the um, into the shorts, for example, in TradingView or something like this. Because they use it to that videos just for generate likes and that type of thing. So take care of that. I'm showing you the example. Um, it's difficult, to use and looks algo. They have many looks algo. But, well, the trend lines with the breaks is the ones what I use. But as you can see, the first was the long one. Then 1 minute later, it was a short. So well, it depends of why do you like. I prefer just mark my sons. Again, if with no issues, if you want to add indicators too, you have many indicators into the Cellium platform too. So the EMA, the RSI, the correlation, the oscillator, EMA. Let me see. well, many of that type of indicators. So that's great. If you like to use it, I don't recommend. I prefer just do it manually, but some people like it. You know, if you are asking me for the shorts, what you see in Instagram or in YouTube or in TikTok, they use it just for generate, the views, the likes. But I don't recommend the automated systems. For the AI, for the artificial intelligence, is the same. I'm using this for gold as a reference. I explain here what I want. I share my ideas with TradingView, and it gives me the information about what is the best option for today. So they give me some percentage for winning, 60% for a long or 75% for a short. It depends of the zone what we take. The problem is, for example, the stop loss what it provide me, it's 52.05. If I open the long position, sorry, the short position in 51.80, so that's could be for around 250 pips in a stop loss. Ay. And well, it's big, so you need to control that. You need to understand the information. It's something what I explain to people into the Discord. If you are going to use um, the AI stock analysis with Chat GPT, you need to understand all the information what they provide into these into the questions. Okay, so first, but yes, I use it as a tool. The AI stock, I use it as a tool with no problem for clarify always the positions. As you can see, guys, it's a tool, right? You need to understand all the information, and of course, it's difficult. Even working with the Chat GPT or AI stock, you will lose. You will lose. Um, and well, so well, that's things happens. You need to clarify your by yourself, work by yourself. Um, but yes, it depends for many different points of view. But the good thing is the AI give you a different point of view and everything. So well, that is up to you. I recommend the people into the Discord, into my community, use the AI stock as a reference. If they have their own strategy and everything, they can use the AI stock with no issues, guys. Or again, the people who are working now with Celium and they want to add an indicator. They have massive list here for indicators. Um, and well, it depends of you guys. Just find your indicator what you want. Celium give you that option too, so that's great. So it depends. It depends of what do you like, you know. So well, the price is falling, so that's great for our intentions. We will test the long position. Mhm. So well, let me read the chat. I did a trading of 51.35. Okay, that's great. You are in positive now. Bueno, ya ahorita estamos aquí, así que nos vamos a enfocar en la zona de compra. So well, here we need to wait the candle confirmation, guys. Okay. Do you have entrance? You're showing us, or you're waiting for the arrive that I'm waiting for the arrive the area, guys. Um, Mark, my friend, thanks, my friend. Nice to see you here. What would the profit margin be to start buying now? Wait, guys, wait, just wait, just waiting, guys. Waiting. Mm. Okay, looks like a pin bar reaction. That customer service builder. Yes, many systems, for automated trading. Um, and well, that thing happens. Felipe, es bueno escuchar hablar español. Sí, si me preguntan en español, yo hablo en español sin problema. Ahorita selling works in Europe. Yes, it works with no problems. But again, if you want to receive the bonus, just go into the link. Okay, use the link because yesterday I saw many people into the chat. They don't use the link. So there is the link. If you want to receive the bonus, just um, do your deposit. And if you want to receive the Telegram signals as well, just contact me by WhatsApp. Okay. If you do your first deposit, I will give you the Telegram signals. Uh, Gaming, my friend, I'm good. Yes, sir, you might get 250 profit, but you didn't close your position. With two, I did around $140 with that trade, truce, and that's okay. I was waiting the TP3. It didn't arrive to TP3, so that's okay by my side. So he works in Europe. Yes, okay. Family is family. We stick together for Gold Suite. Perfect, guys. So, well, at this moment, it give us a good confirmation, good theme by reaction. Waiting the confirmation, guys. I emailed selling support twice and they haven't responded yet. Okay, I see. I recommend just contact them directly by the WhatsApp. They have a WhatsApp line. So just go into the WhatsApp and they will give you the support there, my friend. I have the WhatsApp. Let me show here. Um, I have a support for there. This is the WhatsApp number, so just go there and you will see him. You receive any questions, just specific questions, just ask him. But yes, I recommend the WhatsApp. It's 24 hours. It's 24 hours support. So just go into the WhatsApp if you have any questions or any issues too. Una duda para que te den bono 100%, mínimo depositar de 500. Sí, Black Black, mínimo de 500 para que la cuenta empiece con una cuenta de $1000, ¿verdad? Si no, el mínimo para una cuenta como la mía, que es un raw spread, es de 150. Igual, yo para los que hablan español, no, simplemente me mandan la información y yo se los hago pasar, o sea, se los paso. Ciento por Telegram sería el canal que tiene un costo de $169, entonces eso se lo ahorran, pero yo les hablo su apoyo con eso, ¿verdad? Pero sí, el mínimo son 500 para recibir la cuenta de el 100%. ¿Qué buscas? Confirmación, busco eso, un pin bar, así, hermoso, pero bueno, se nos está yendo muy arriba, pero igual siempre regresa. So guys, at this moment, 4 minutes, and we are seeing this pin bar reaction so hard. Yesterday, um, I tried to do it like this, like open a trading in Tokyo with no confirmations, just like this, just the sun and waiting the retracement. It wasn't successful, and today waiting the confirmations give us a massive confirmations for around 120 pips. But well, doing the move without confirmation. Yesterday I tried to do it like this, and see the sons are working good, just without confirmations and everything. And yesterday I said, okay, why not? Like the market it's working like this. It's not waiting for nothing. I do the entry and the price just fall. That's great. Thanks to Tokyo session. No Tokyo session today, just in case. Life, welcome, my friend. Can you confirm what time zone setting is this? No, the setting is the +0, but I'm using the +6. We lost the opportunity again, guys. Again, yesterday I tried to open a long position like this, just opening the position when the price arrived into the sun and give us a negative trade. So for that reason, today I'm waiting. Rodrigo, Justino, if you don't like it, open your position. You have the suns here. You have the possible point of entry there. Open your position. That's all. And explaining why today I'm not going to follow this same strategy in Tokyo session, because in Tokyo session I'm trying to do it 2 times. Like, okay, the price is arriving into the sun, I'm going to open the trade. But no, here in New York session, it's doing the price arriving to the sun and give us 100 pips. So I prefer the strategy just to wait. To get profit is perfect. Excellent. Good. Positive. So, well, guys, yes, again, as we are saying, Rodrigo, you don't want to wait the 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 order. For that reason, I mark the sons. I mark the sell sun. I mark the buy position. Many people use this stream as a reference, as a reference to clarify their points and everything. So you can do it as well. ¿Cuál es su canal de Telegram? Es privado, Daniel. Es privado, entonces no lo puede encontrar de forma gratuita. Tiene que pagar. O si hace el depósito por Celion, ahí yo se lo doy sin problema. Mm, Luego se ve cuando son nuevos, nada más está visitando por criticar también. Exacto. Okay, we got this candle. Looks like a pin bar reaction. So probably we will see a retracement. Okay. Okay. Mm, Nada hay que preocuparse, mi amigo Daniel, pero es para que quede claro, porque si hay muchos canales gratuitos a mi nombre y no soy yo. Okay. Admit, I'm trying to work with at least around 70, 78%. Nowadays looks difficult, difficult month with a really good profits, but with some losses too. So I would say around for the last weeks, for example, Tokyo give us a beautiful sessions. You know, in Tokyo we did 5 trades, just um, just one stop. Last week we did around 9 trades, and we touched 3 stop loss, for example. This week starting really really tough with Tokyo give us 2 stops, 3 stops with Nasdaq. So it's difficult. It's difficult. That we buy? No, no, guys. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm going to prepare the lines. So that's all. Mm, mm, mhm. Okay, guys. Time to be ready. Serán tiempos dorados. Empezar mejor. Me equivoco y te digo. Let's be focused and speaking English, guys. Speaking English. Speaking English. If you didn't take partial and set the beam, by my strategy, I use the partials and the B, guys. You know, but some people I know don't like it. They like to go to the full margin and everything, but sometimes it's good, but probably you will lose more than the wins. You know, waiting 35 around 3-3 or 30 could be a good points. Inclusive 25 could be a good point. But well, it depends for the next 2 3 minutes. If we see some consolidation there, that would be a possibility. Okay, the price is giving us a reaction at that minimum in 34. So let's see. 35 is there. 33. This is the point. 33. 30. Okay, so 33 is there. Let's try the position there. Let's see what happened. Just the opening the position. $32. 33. 'There we are. We are into the position. Okay. Boy, 51. 32. 87. Mhm. 51. Mm, Let me work into the stop. 51, 19, that 15. 51, 42. Mhm. Working into ATPs as fast as it can. Mm, 40. Six. Okay, arriving into the possible TP1, giving us a good reaction. Let's see, we need to continue like this in the next 4 minutes. 51:45. Fifty-one 50. Mhm. Okay, and the 65. 62. So let's say we need to continue like this. 62. Mhm. Iván Sánchez, esta plataforma sería la de Celion, mi amigo. Si quiere trabajar con ellos, simplemente te registras en el link. Mínimo depósito son 150. Me pasas tu información por WhatsApp y yo te doy el canal de Telegram sin problema, de forma gratuita. Eso para los que hablan español. So, well, guys, let's see. 1 minute more. We need to arrive to the 51:42. Let's see what happened. TP1 is for 96 pips. I think now everyone is in a decent profit. Remember, TP1 it's in a 96 pips, almost 100 pips, so clear of that. But well, good reaction. Almost TP1. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take some partial. Okay. Taking some partial. Going to wait the TP2. Well, now taking some partial. And share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits at this point. TP2 it's now, guys. TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now, guys. Going to take a little more. Mm, Partials. Now full B. Full B. Full B. Take your partials, guys. Close. So let's see for the TP3. TP3 it's for 172 pips. Pero tú entraste, claro. Aquí está el profit. Aquí estamos en este momento. Estamos aquí. Remember the price is there. The position it's taken is there. I know you probably some people don't see the lines, but well, the lines, the orders is here, and the profit is there. So, so well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Beautiful. I really enjoyed this platform. Really, I like when I open a trade and well the spread is good. The point is exactly what I want. So that's great. That's great, guys. Beautiful. So, well, guys, remember if you want to receive more entries by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. To learn how do you trade Stella, just contact me by WhatsApp. You will receive the options there. I think you are into the Telegram. I'm not sure, but well, let me read the profits here. Stop loss at B. Yes, stop loss is in the B. Rodrigo Justino, respect brother. So to rush you up, perfect, my friend. Rodrigo made an extra $450. November, $50. That's beautiful. That's great. Let's go for the TP3. Holding in B. Almost touched the TP3, guys. Ronald Arguila says $7, $7 for Mupulak. Shower $400 and TP3 it's now, guys. TP3 it's now plus 170. So well, beautiful. That's great. Recovering some money. $10. TP2, $10. Life, $320. That's great, my friend. Beautiful work. Tech deals, $300. That's beautiful. $85. That's great. Popa, gracias, mi amigo, por el apoyo. Life, thanks to you, my friend, for being part of the community, for being part into the Telegram and everything. So that's great. I'm going to take the 50% of the now. Okay, now I'm holding just what I don't know 0.10, 0.11, 0.11. Going to change my B to 100, and then the other just holding and in full B and in full B here. Just to be clear, guys, in full B. Great stuff. Perfect, my friend. Thanks, Dorito. Red Ninja, $51. Eric Gonzalez, and 33. Perfect. Sopek, $45. Beautiful. Suyo, $200. That's great. Eric Juarez, thanks, my friend. What do you for now? Well, take your partials first, guys. Take your partials and set your break even. Set your partial and set your break even. I will hold the full take profit and trust we can touch the 51.62. Let's see. It depends for the next 6 candles. $30. That's great. Thanks, bro. $70. Now I'm in around $750 in positive. I can close it now, but I really want to take the full take profit. Okay. See what be a target of the next buy. Hola. $157 para Julio Lora. Excelente, mi amigo. That's great. Beautiful. Beautiful, my friend. That's great. So we need to break the 51.51 for continue for the full TP. And remember, if you want to work again, if you example, you don't have enough money, or just you want to test your knowledge, you want to be a funded trader, you can go into the propermatch.com. There you will see a really good options, a really good discounts for the most trustable prop firm in the market, guys. Okay, so just be clear, go there and you will see, and you will check what is the best options for you according, of course, your money. For example, if you have $100 or something like this, you don't have enough money for the real account, just go into the prompt match, apply for the best prop firm according to your contract, according to your wallet. Instant funding, phase 2, phase 1, phase 3, many options there. Just read the reviews according your knowledge there, guys. Okay, so the link is into the description and the link is into the chat. Okay, guys. Okay, you are the scalping boss. You can learn a lot from you. Perfect train. That's the idea. Good trade. Thanks, my friend. Thanks, brother. May $50. Total respect from Kenya. That's beautiful. We will take share for the Selson. Uh, at this moment, let's focus to this trade. Okay, who is still holding Usumi? $120 recover it. That's beautiful. That's make me happy, my friend. Thanks God. For my learning, I predict sell from the region of 51.61. Perfect. Uh, enter late, an extra $70. That's great, guys. Beautiful. I have only $7. Can I recover? Probably yes. I'm holding almost 50,000. That's great. J, $560. That's beautiful. Now I'm holding 1,067. Sorry, 1,000 and well, almost $1,000. With this, I will recover all the losses. But well, let's see. Let's see. It depends for the next two minutes. I expect to continue with the uptrend. It looks really, really strong, so that's great. Let's expect something good. Okay, excited. That was great. Okay, who is still holding, guys? Who is still holding? Who is still holding? Finally, 1,000 profit. Who is still holding the full TP? Half out, yes, same by my side. I take around the 70% of the 70% of the trade. Okay, still holding. Okay, expecting 51.70. At this moment, guys, my TP is open. And expect it touch the 51.62, but probably we can touch the 51.65. Let's see. Uh, Fadi, nice to see you here, my friend. Long time no see you. Difficult times. Submit $187. That's beautiful. That's great. So, let's see, guys. Let's see. Trade with them. Already booked $111 and running 75. That's great, guys. At me Ray, $50. That's great. I'm holding, guys. I'm still holding the position. Very clean signal. Bravo. Was really good. Was very nice. So, well, that's great. Let's wait together and let's hold together. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Pure patience, guys. Richard with account for 500. It's okay to open 0.32. No, my friend. With one stop, probably you will destroy that account. So try to use with 500. Try to use um 0.5, 0.05, 0.06 maximum. Okay, so be clear of that. Thanks, Alrito. Abdullah, $2,000. Rabin, around 70%, 78% of the month. That's my expectations every month. Like just stay around 78, 70, 75. To be honest, sometimes 70, sometimes 65. It depends of the month, my friend. Desde Veracruz, mi amigo, excelente, un placer, mi amigo. Go to sleep, buddy. Relax. Yes, I'm using the 0.32 because my account is was from around, well, it's for 10,000. Finally, and thanks God, I'm recovering this the account today with one trade. Recovering around 1,600 in negative for Tokyo sessions, Bitcoin. What else? Gold, of course. I will Nasdaq too. Difficult. Aquí intentando aprender de los grandes. Perfecto, amigo. Más que bienvenido. Más que bienvenido. Recuerden los que hablan en español. Si quieren trabajar igual como yo con Celion, Esta plataforma les va a permitir tomar trades así sin ningún tipo de problema. Simplemente se abre la cuenta. Depósito mínimo para una cuenta como esta es de $150. Me UTP, guys. UTP it's now. Full TP it's now, guys. Full TP. I will take the position now. Sí. Ok, voy. And the position here. Boom. Done. Perfect. So a beautiful position. That's great. That's great. Also mind the retest and hit the 52. Yes, but that's all. That's all for the positions and everything. Well, that thing's that trade was beautiful. The trade was beautiful. That was really nice. Pretty good. Pretty good. So this is the position as this point. Beautiful, beautiful. 0.32. Starting with the first position, double position. Well, the negative. Let me see if I show the negative from yesterday. Yes, this is the Tokyo session from yesterday. Minus 300. I tried to do a recover in Tokyo next to the to that stop loss. I recover him $100. Not too much to say. Well, $100 for some recover, and today was a beautiful partials, and the full B and the full out. That's nice. Full TP. Full take profit. Share me your profits, guys. At this point, share me your profits. At this point, I want to read here. Yes, today no Tokyo session. That's Tokyo session was giving us some really good results. So today no, but back tomorrow as usual with Tokyo. Aristec deals, perfect, amazing. I'm still holding 20%, perfect, AW. Ronald, 20%, sorry, $20. Good trade, perfect. Where are the haters? Probably crying in front of the computer. McDiha, perfect, 1,000, $1,290. Beautiful. Beautiful, $30 in positive. Let me see, $29, $40, 144. That's beautiful. Can you share the sales one? Yes, I will. I will. I will mark these once again. Guys, remember if you want to receive more signals, so just avoid the signals by the noise of the chat. Um, just contact me by WhatsApp. There is the channel. The price is $169. Okay, $169. Just be clear of that. ¿Tienes Telegram? Sí, tengo Telegram, mi amigo. Son $169. Pago único. Y de ahí simplemente pues reciben todas las señales. 4 entries per day. That depends of you guys. So that was beautiful. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful full take profit. Um, Maca, Maca did $30. That's great. Jesus recovered $300. Thanks, my friends, to you for being part of the community, of course. Of course, always support you, me, even in the bad times. I appreciate that, my friend. Okay, Chema is out. I wish could afford to join your group. Hopefully, I can join when the time is right. I wish I could afford to join your group. Hopefully, I can join when the time is right. Sir, me, self trade. Okay, my friend. $10. Llegué tarde, pero bueno, algo es algo. XELLION is available in Philippines. Yes, it's available in Philippines. It will have the same bonus selling promotion, 100 welcome bonus in your first deposit for $100. Okay, so that means you will start the account for $1,000. So that's great. And of course, if you share me your confirmation of your deposit, I will give you the Telegram signals too. But you need to share me your deposit, guys. Okay. And well, the others, if you have your own broker and everything, and if you want to receive more trades by Telegram or just receive the learning for the Discord, the option is available by WhatsApp, guys. I appreciate you always, whether win or lose. You're the best. Thanks, my friend Motion. I really appreciate that. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade, guys. Almost 300 pips in positive. Was a full take profit, but well, we did a beautiful trades this. Ok, tengo 30, aquí entonces son 36. 36. 200 and what? 290. 93.